Most people think starting an HVAC business is all about technical skills, certifications, and expensive tools, but that is exactly why many beginners never actually make money. Here's the truth no one tells you. HVAC is not just a technical trade. It is a customer acquisition business first, and everything else supports that. In this video, you will learn exactly how I would start an HVAC business today step by step, even if I had limited experience, a small budget, and no existing client base. You will see how to get your first HVAC jobs, how to price correctly, and how to build a system that brings consistent leads. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that stops most HVAC beginners from ever scaling past small repair jobs. Let's start with the basics. HVAC. Wouldn't be about to say. People need HVAC services for repairs, maintenance, and installations all year round. That means demand is constant, not seasonal like many other businesses think. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners focus on advanced tools and certifications before getting customers. That is backwards. No customers means no business. First step is getting leads. The fastest methods are Google Business Profile, local Facebook groups, and simple local ads. For example, Jake started in a small US city and got his first HVAC repair calls just by offering free system inspections during a heat wave and posting in neighborhood groups. But here's the problem. Many beginners wait until they feel fully ready before marketing. That delay kills momentum and costs real opportunities. Second step is pricing. Keep it simple at the start. Offer clear pricing for diagnostics, repairs, and maintenance visits. Do not confuse customers with too many options. John, a beginner technician in Texas, closed more jobs just by offering a simple inspection fee plus repair quote. System.wow. Now here's where most people fail. They underprice large HVAC jobs just to get early customers. That might bring quick work, but it destroys long-term profitability and makes scaling impossible. In a minute, I'll show you how one HVAC service call can turn into recurring maintenance contracts that bring income every season without chasing new customers. Third step is trust building. HVAC is a high-trust industry because the work directly affects comfort and safety. That means reviews, response time, and clear communication matter more than anything else. Always explain issues in simple terms so customers feel confident. Now let's talk tools and structure. You do not need a huge setup in the beginning. Many beginners start by partnering with licensed technicians or subcontracting while they focus on getting leads and managing customer communication. But here's where it gets even more powerful. The real profit in HVAC is not in one-time repairs. It is in maintenance plans. Every system needs seasonal servicing, and customers will pay for regular checkups if you offer them simply. Now, imagine this. You fix an AC for a homeowner. You do a clean job. You offer a simple yearly maintenance plan. That one customer now brings repeat income every season and may refer neighbors too. So here is the takeaway. Starting an HVAC business is not about tools or technical complexity. It is about getting customers, building trust, and turning one-time jobs into recurring service contracts. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more practical step-by-step business guides that help you start and grow real service businesses.